Welcome to the Kindle Direct Publishing tutorial. Let's get started on learning how you can publish yourself on Kindle Direct Publishing. First, go to kdp.amazon.com. If you already have an Amazon account which you use to order from Amazon, you can use that to sign in as a returning customer. If not, choose I am a new customer. If you selected I am a new customer, you will have to provide your email address, choose your password so that you can proceed further. Once that is done, you'll be taken to the Terms and Conditions page. Please go through these thoroughly and then click on Agree. You have now logged in with your new Amazon account. You'll have to click on Update Now. This is where you will be asked to provide detailed information about yourself for easy correspondence. Click on I don't have a bank account if you don't have one. We will then pay you in multiple currencies from different marketplaces via checks, which will be sent to your address upon meeting the threshold. Otherwise, give us your bank details to which we can send your payments. Choose India from the drop-down menu and the next window will become visible. Begin to fill in the information. Please make sure all the information is correct and everything is spelled correctly. Please click on Save before clicking on Complete Tax Information. As Amazon is a US company, it requires all authors or publishers to provide valid taxpayer identification for tax reporting purposes. This also helps identify the right withholding tax rate that would need to be paid on the royalty income for sales of ebooks on Amazon.com. This is a mandatory form to be filled to enable royalty payments from Amazon to you. Select the most appropriate answer based upon the individual or entity that will receive the income. Then, select Save and Continue. Begin filling in the tax information. The beneficial owner of income is generally the person who is benefiting from royalty payments from Kindle ebook sales. Individual authors can choose Individual from the drop-down menu. If you're unsure, you can ask your tax advisor or accountant. Place of organization. If you are a corporation, enter the place of incorporation. Choose the country of citizenship or country of residence for tax purposes. Individuals should enter the country of citizenship. Dual citizens should enter the country of citizenship and residency at the time of filling the form. If residency and country of citizenship differ, enter the country of residency, followed by your permanent address of the country where you claim to be a resident for income tax purposes. Add a mailing address only if it differs from your permanent address. Choose Yes if you're acting as an intermediary and not a direct beneficiary from the royalty income. If you don't select one of these, you may be considered a US person for tax purposes. A tax identification number is like the PAN in India. Choose one of the 4 answer options that applies to you. Then, click on Save and Continue. Treaty benefits help non-US residents to avail a lower withholding tax rate. For example, if you are a resident of a country that has an active double taxation treaty with the United States, like India, you may be eligible to receive a reduction in the statutory US withholding tax rate of 30% to 15%. If you are an Indian national, add your PAN number in the foreign tin and save and continue. For non-Indians, please fill in the tax identification number of that country. The tax withholding rate is the tax rate Amazon will apply on royalties to pay to the US government on your behalf. You can consent to electronic delivery of Form 1042S, which allows you to retrieve an electronic version of it from your account. Amazon will notify you when it is available. Or you can also choose the I prefer paper delivery format and submit, after which you will receive a printable version of the form that needs to be printed, signed, and mailed to Amazon at the address on your screen now. Just below that option is where you will have to consent to electronic delivery of Form W8 by providing your full legal name, email address, and the date. Review the W8 form, print for future reference, and then exit the interview. Congratulations! You have now completed registration. Find out on how to publish by clicking on the How to Publish Your ebook video.